Hi, I'm Julie Krueger. I'm a digital printing demonstration and sample technician for Domino Printing, based here in Gurnee, Illinois. I'm part of a small team that demonstrates the N730i and the N610i color and hybrid inkjet presses, as well as the K600i digital inkjet printer. We demo for our customers either in person or via a tailored virtual demo. The demo and sampling room is a fantastic place for us to showcase Domino's digital printing solutions for labels and packaging.
When preparing for an in-person or a virtual demo, I spend time making sure that we're going to be able to meet all of the customer's expectations. We want to make sure that a customer traveling in from California gets the same attention to detail as a customer here in Chicago without the flight. Our virtual demo allows us to provide the information to the customer's broader team if they're unable to fly here to see it in person.
I enjoy hearing about the customer's current obstacles and showing them how our solutions can make their job easier. Customers are always looking for faster speeds and more uptime, or getting more work out in less time. It is always a good day when you can show how easy it is to make changes to achieve incredible color and quality from one of our N-Series presses.
I've been with Domino for 5 years now. And honestly, I fell in love with the technology before I even started working here. I love getting to demo for customers and really teaching them about our technology and what it can do for them. But it's not just me. This is a team effort. This team in the demo center, along with service, really works together to make sure the customer gets the right press for what their needs are. And that way they can do more with what they've purchased. It makes me really proud.
It's not just here in Gurnee where we have and demonstrate our digital printing products. Domino has a digital center of excellence in the Netherlands. We collaborate with our global colleagues to share trends and experiences. We can then pass that knowledge along to our customers. I've personally collaborated with the team in Benelux, France, and Germany. We had fun and enjoyed our time and training together. The best part had to be meeting Robert Pulford, Domino's CEO.
I enjoyed sharing my story. I actually enjoy being on camera, and I assume it's from being the last of 5 children. And this is by no means a sales video, but if you'd like to learn more about the Domino presses, please book a demo. I'd love to take you through it. And I really enjoyed my time here today. This is honestly my dream job I'm living. I love these presses. I love teaching customers about how we can help with their challenges every day. And I hope you have a great one. Thanks so much.